Hello everyone, it's Francis with Your Book of Memories. Right here I've got another wonderful little scrapbook project and I think you will absolutely love it. Shane actually designed this entire thing and you'll notice this front piece is actually from his fall album that used the mushroom paper. I created this one this time following his awesome instructions. This is using the Paper Studio Peace, Love, and Happy Vibes paper. I just love it. This is a super fun, interactive, slide and lock type of picture frame. So right here you can hold a 5x7 and then you can put some 4x6s, no cropping necessary. And then these all are designed a certain way to kind of slide and stop. And it was incredible to see Shane's brain come together for this project because he is amazing. And this thing comes off. We've got picture space on the back for another 5x7 right here. And then we have like this little hidden little treasure right here. Another 4x6 picture can actually fit here and you can use, of course, any kind of paper it is that you want. If you wanted to learn to make this for yourself, I'll leave the entire class down in the description for you and all the information on it. And look how cute. I got this cute little Hobby Lobby stamp right here with these little leaves. I thought that was so adorable. You can even add tags in here. This one's going to be going to his Aunt Tammy. We're super excited to give it to her. You can even back it to make it look super presentable for a gift. And I just loved it. I just fussy cut some of these out of the 12x12 papers and then I just created them to be little tabs. Do you ever see yourself making one of these? And also it kind of has like a scrapbook layout type of vibe. And it's a wonderful chipboard scrap project too. And you can even make this unit separate and stick it on the front of any mini album project, which is super cool. I hope everyone's having a fantastic day and I'll see you next time. Bye.